So guys, now we're going to see how to download in a modification path. For example, if you want to download in a specific folder or in desktop, then how to do that using Selenium, right? So before that, we obviously need to import WebDriver, which you already did, but we will do that again. So I'll just copy that one from here, from Selenium import WebDriver, okay? And I'm pasting it over here. And then we need to import one more thing, that is from Selenium dot WebDriver dot Chrome, because we are doing it for Chrome. If you are using Firefox, you can just write Firefox. You can see there is an option for Firefox as well. So I'll just write Chrome. Yeah, and then we have to import options. Okay, this one, and then import options. Okay, that's it. Let's run it. Yeah, it ran properly. And now we're going to copy this one, because we're going to download the same thing in a specific folder. Okay, so that's why I'm copying this section from here and paste it over here. And before these things, okay, so let me show you the folder. You can see this is our Selenium folder, and here there is no file called astraproxy, right? So we are going to download it in this folder. Okay, so yeah, before these lines, we are going to write some codes. That is, first of all, we have to make an object for this options class, right? So this is actually a class, so we have to make an object for that. So I just need to write Chrome, one variable, okay, anything, you can make it anything, Chrome options, and then it will be option class. Okay, that's it. So this is an object of the option class, and now we actually need to choose the path where the file will be downloaded, right? So I'm just writing Chrome options dot add underscore experimental options. Okay, experimental option. Okay, and in the parenthesis, first of all, we have to write preference, so pref, that's it, and then comma, then you need to add one more parenthesis, and here we need to write download dot default directory. Using this options class, you can kind of change everything from the settings. For example, if you can change the language, then change the download path, then whatever you want to change. Okay, so for now I'm just changing the download path, so download dot default directory. And okay, actually I need to put it in double quotation. Okay, fine, and that will be nothing but our path where I want to download the file, right? So in the double quotation, I just need to paste the path, this one, copy and paste it over here. Since we are changing the download path, so when you send the Chrome driver path, for example, you can see the Chrome driver path is this one, so we are sending this path over here. Where is that? Yeah, over here we are sending this path, and after sending that path, we have to send one more thing, that is Chrome options. Okay, and that will be equals to Chrome options. Okay, so let me change the variable name because both the things are now same, so I'll just change it with Chrome opt. Okay, Chrome opt, and this will be Chrome opt, and here it will be Chrome opt. Okay, so Chrome options is equals to whichever variable you made. Okay, yeah, let's run it and see whether it is downloading and that particular folder or not. So this is the folder where we want to download the file, and let's run this code. Okay, there is a syntax error. Well, it is showing this error. That is because we have to instead of writing the parentheses, we have to write curly braces, this one, and yeah, backspace and paste it the curly braces. Perfect. So let's run this cell and see. Okay, there is one more error. So actually we are getting this error, that is because we have to write forward slash instead of backward slash. So I need to change every backward slash with forward slash. Okay, and since we're sending two arguments, that is Chrome options and executable path, so we have to specify over here that it is the executable path. Okay, so executable underscore path, and that will be equals to path. So yeah, let's try to run it and see. Okay, so we are getting this error, that is because this pref is a wrong term. Okay, so it is a preferences, so prefs. Okay, that's it. So now if I run it, okay, you can see it open the browser. Now it is loading the page. Okay, now it should download the extra epoxy. Okay, it started downloading, but I don't know, maybe my internet connection is slow right now, that's why the download is failed, but it should work for you. Okay, so in this way you can download in a specific path by mentioning that path over here. Okay, fine.